Hi everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. You all know how much I love to make different types of mince pies. So I'm making a mincemeat custard pie today. These are gorgeous and it's a really quick and easy recipe. You don't even have to make the pastry because I'm using shop-bought puff pastry and it's absolutely perfect for this recipe. So I've made a start, you can all see that, and I've rolled out my puff pastry on a floured work surface. I've only rolled it out a little bit bigger than it actually is. And then I've cut out the pastry using a 3.5 inch cutter. This is quite big, this one. If you don't have a cutter this size, you could use a wide rimmed pint glass if you have one, or something around that size. The reason why I'm using the bigger cutter is because I want these nice and high in the cupcake tin. So all I've done is I've greased my tin and I've put in my little parchment strips. These are great for getting your mince pies out. I've one piece of pastry left that I want to just show you what I do. So I just place it in there, push it down, and then I just use my fingers and I just make it a little bit higher than it is, just so it comes up right up to the top of the tin. Because I'm going to add in custard and some mincemeat to this, and I don't want them bubbling everywhere and leaving them looking ugly when I take them out of the oven. Alright, so the next stage is I've got some custard here. This is just bird's custard that I made up this morning. The reason I'm using this is because it's a little bit thicker than what you buy in the local store. You can use those small tubs of Devon custard, or Tesco do their own either, but I like the homemade custard. So I've just made some up, let it go cold. And into here I'm going to add in some ground almonds. And just get a spoon and mix that in. Alright, that's fully mixed in. Now just get a heaped teaspoon, about that amount, and get it into each of the pastry cases. Just spread it out a little. So keep doing that till you get them all filled up. And that's the last one there. Great. Okay, next up is the mincemeat. This is my homemade mincemeat. I did share the recipe about 2 weeks ago, and it's a cranberry and almond mincemeat. So you want about a teaspoon of this. You don't want too much either, so about that amount. And get it into each of your pies on top of the custard. Just press it down and spread it out a little. Alright, now for the flaked almonds. This is the last stage. Just going to scatter some of these over the tops of each of the pies. This recipe makes 16 mince pies. And there you have them all done. Very simple recipe. Now we're going to get them into the oven for 12 to 15 minutes until they're nice and golden in colour. My mincemeat custard pies are fully baked. They've turned out really well. They're a nice golden colour, and the flaked almonds are nicely toasted as well. They smell absolutely beautiful. Now I've took these out of the oven about 15 minutes ago, and now I'm just going to sprinkle over a little bit of icing sugar. We can remove them from the tin now, and I just want to show you how easy it is to remove them with these paper strips. Just look at that. Fully intact mince pie, no problems getting it out of the tin. That's what I love about using these little strips, and I recycle these. I use them for all my mince pies. So there we have our beautiful mincemeat custard pies. They're absolutely gorgeous. Another lovely mince pie recipe to add to your collection. And I've got a few mince pie recipes on my channel and page. I've got Viennese whirl mince pies, they're my favourite, traditional mince pies, and of course frangipane mince pies. They're delicious as well. These look absolutely gorgeous, don't they? I love the shape of them. They've kept their shape really well. They're a nice golden colour. The flaked almonds are gorgeous, and the icing sugar on top of the flaked almonds is really nice too. I am going to be making another mince pie video, so stay tuned. I'm going to be making a chocolate orange mince pie. Chocolate orange is my favourite, so I can't wait to make them. All right, everyone, thanks so much for watching. Give the mincemeat custard pies a go and let me know in the comments down below what you think of them. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you all soon. Happy baking and enjoy.